Well, that's a nice stack of Minton Sunningdale, and we've put them in a stacks just so you can appreciate the quality of the gilt detailing around the rims and the condition of it. These are very pretty. I'll just show you one of them. Sunningdale is the pattern, made by Minton, 1987, and afterwards on these you can see the Royal Doulton reference on there. Copyright 1987, so we know these are post 87. Minton was under the management of Royal Doulton Group and Pearsons at this time. Minton was still a brand being produced, and Sunningdale is the pattern there. So dates them very finely to last decade of the 20th century. They're in absolutely mint condition. I don't think these have ever been used. Sunningdale is this very pretty little pastel-y, pale olivey green rim detailing, ribbed moulding, and then these little floral bouquets or garlands. Central one on the base, very, very nicely detailed, all transfer printed. Fine bone china, nice deep cereal or dessert bowl, could be used for soups as well. Multi-purpose really. All the measurements are on the website, and we've got, I think, 8 of them in the complete collection. I've got 7 here, one's just in the photographic box, being prepared for the website listing. But if you follow the link below, it'll take you directly through to our listing for these bowls. Thanks for watching.